improvement in food resource. We know that all living organisms need food. Food supplies protein, carbohydrate, fat, vitamin and mineral, all of which we require for body development, growth and health. Both plant and animal are major source of food for source. We obtain most of these food from agriculture and animal husbandry. We read in newspaper that efforts are always being made of improve production from agriculture and animal husbandry. Why it is this necessary? Why we cannot make do with current level of production? India is a very populous country. Our population is more than a billion people and still growing. As food for the growing population, we will soon need more than the quarter of billion tons of grain every year. We can done farming on more land, but India is already intensively cultivated. As a result, we do not have any major scope for increasing the area of land under cultivation. Therefore, it is necessary to increase our production efficiency. Both growth of livestock effort to meet the India demanded increase the production have led to the some success. So far, we have had a green revolution of contribution to increase food grain production. We have also had the white revolution, which has led better than a more efficient use as well as availability of milk. However, these revolutions mean that our natural resources are getting used more intensively. As a result, there are more chances of causing damage to a natural resource, the point of destroying their balance completely. Therefore, it is important that we should increase food production without degrading our environment and disturbing the balance, maintaining it. Hence, there is a need to sustainable practices in agriculture and animal husbandry. Also, simply by the increased grain production for storage in houseware cannot solve the problem in malnutrition and hunger. People should have money to purchase food. Security depends on availability of food, and as such, the majority of our population depend on agriculture for their livelihood. Increase the income. Working agriculture is necessary to combat problem in hunger. Scientific management particle and undertaken the so high yield from farm for sustainable livelihood. One should undertake mixed farming, intercropping and integrated farming practices. From example, combine agriculture and with livestock, poultry, fishes, beekeeping. The question thus people, how do we increase the yield of the crop and livestock? Improvement in crop yield. Cereals such as wheat, rice, maize, millet and sorghum provide us carbohydrate from energy requirement. Pulse like grain, gram, pea, black garam, green garam, Pelgian pea, lentil provide protein and oil. Seeds including soybean, ground nut, sesame, castor, mustard, linseed and sunflower provide the necessary fat. Vegetable species and fruit provide a range of vitamin and mineral. In addition, to small amount of protein, carbohydrate and fat. Addition to these food crop and Garcia act sedan grass are raised as food for the livestock. Different crop require different climatic condition, temperature and photo period for their growth and completion of their life cycle. Photo 3 period are related to the duration of a sunlight. Growth of plant and flowering are depend on the sunlight. As we all know, plant manufacture their food in grow sunlight by the process of photosynthesis. There are some crops which are grown in a rainy season called Kharif season. From the month of June to October, the some of the crop are grown in a winter season are called the rabi crop. From November to April, paddy, soybean, paisan, pea, maize, cotton, green gram and black gram are kharif crop. Various wheat gram, peas, mustard, linseed are rabi crop. In India, there has been four types increased production in food grain from 1960 to 2004, with only 25% increase in cultivable land area. Flow has this increase in production been achieved? If we think of particles involved in farming, we can see that we can divide into three stages. The first choice seed for planting, the second is nurturing of the crop plant, the third is the protection of the growing and the harvested crop from loss. Thus, the major group of activities improving crop yield can be classified as crop variety improvement, crop production improvement, crop protection management. Crop variety improvement. This approach depend on the yield finding a crop variety of which that can give good yield. Variety or strain of crop can be selected by the breeding for various useful characteristics such as disease resistance, response of fertilizer, product quality and high yield. One of the way incorporating desirable character into crop varieties in a hybridization. Hybridization refers to crossing between genetically dissimilar plant species. Crossing may be between specific or in genetic. Another of improving a crop introducing a gene with the goal improve desired characteristics. These result genetically modified cross for a new variety of crop can accepted in a crop. That variety produces a high yield under different conditions that are found in a different area. Farmer would need to be provided to good quality seed of particular variety. That is, the seed should all be of the same variety of germinate under the same condition. Cultivation practices and crop yield are related to weather, soil quality and availability of water. Since weather conditions such as drought and flood situation are unpredictable, varieties that can be grown in diverse climate conditions are useful. Similarly, varieties tolerant to high soil salinity have been developed. Some of the factors are which variety improvement is done are higher yield to increase productivity of the crop per acre, improve quality consideration of crop product vary from crop to crop. Baking quality is important in wheat, protein quality, pulses, oil quality, oil seed and preserving quality in fruit and the vegetable. Biotic and abiotic resistance. Crop production can go due to abiotic and abiotic water stresses under different situation. Varieties of the stresses can improve crop production. Change in maturity duration. The shorter the duration of crop from sowing to harvesting, the more economical the variety. Such short duration allow farmer to grow multiple rounds of crop in the year. Short duration also reduces the cost of crop production. Uniform maturity makes harvesting process easy, reduces losses during harvesting. Wider adaptability. Developing varieties in a wide adaptability will stabilize crop production under different environment condition. One variety can then be grown under the different climatic condition, different area. Desirable agronomical characteristic. Tallness of profuse branching are desirable character for folded crop. Dwarfness is desired to cereal so that less nutrient are consumed. These crop thus developing varieties in desired agronomical character. help give higher productivity, crop production and management. In India, as in many agriculture-based countries, farming ranges from small is a very large farm. Different farmers thus have more or less they land money and access information in technologies. In a short, it is a way money of financial condition that allow the farmer to take up the different farming practices and agricultural technology, that is a correlation between higher input and yield. Thus our farmer purchasing capacity for input decides cropping system and the production of practices. Therefore production practice can be different level. They include no cost production, low cost production and high cost production practices. Nutrient management. Just as we need food and for development, growth and well-being, plant also require to nutrient for growth. Nutrient are supplied or to plant by air, water and so there are 16 nutrients which are essential for the plant. Air supplies carbon and oxygen. Hydrogen comes from water and soil supplies and water. Another 13 nutrients to plant. Amongst these 13 nutrients, 6 are required and a large quantities are therefore called macronutrients. Even nutrients are used by plant quantities, they are called micronutrients. Deficiency of these nutrients affected by psychological process of plant, including reproduction, growth of susceptibility of disease. To increase the yield of the soil can enriched by supplying these nutrients in the form of manure and fertilizer. The manure contains large quantities of organic matter and also supplies small quantities of nutrient to the soil. The manure is prepared by the decomposition of animal excreta and soil waste. Manure help in reaching soil with the nutrient and organic matter and increasing soil fertility. The bulk of organic matter in manure help in improving the soil structure that involve increasing in water holding capacity, sandy soil and clay soil, and the large quantities of organic matter is soil drainage and avoiding water logging is using manure. We can use a biological waste material which is advantageous in protecting our environment from the excessive use of a fertilizer. Using biological waste of material and also a way of recycling from waste of based on a kind of a biological material used in a manure can be classified as compost or very compost of a process of which can form waste of material like livestock excreta, cow dung, etc. Water, animal refuse or domestic waste, sewage and waste of straw, eradicated weed and decomposing in a pits is known as decomposing. The compost rich organic matter as nutrient compost in a prepared by the using earthworm to hasten the process of decomposition of plant and animal refuse is called a vermicompost. The green manure prior of the sowing of the seed, some plant like sun ham of a guar are grown then mulched by plugging them into a soil. Green plant that thus turn into a green manure which help in enriching the soil with nitrogen and phosphorus. Fertilizer are commercially produced plant nutrient fertilizers supply nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. They are used to ensure good vegetable growth, giving rise in a healthy plant. Fertilizer are a factor in a higher yield and high cost farming. Fertilizers should be applied carefully in a term of proper dose, time and observing pre and post application precaution for their complete utilization. For example, sometimes fertilizer get washed away due to excessive irrigation are not fully absorbed by the plant. The excess fertilizer then lead to water pollution. Also, as we have seen in a previous chapter, continuous use of fertilizers in areas destroy soil fertility and the organic matter. The soil is replenished. The microorganisms in the soil are harmed by the fertilizer used in a short-term benefit of using fertilizer and long-term benefit of using manure and maintaining a soil and fertility are considered aiming of optimum yield of a crop production. Organic farming is a farming system of a minimal or now use of chemical or fertilizer, herbicides, pesticides, etc. Where the maximum input organic manure, recycle farm waste, use of a bioagent such as culture blue green algae as a preparation of biofertilizer, neem leaves, turmeric, especially in grain storage, biopesticide which healthy cropping system. These cropping system are beneficial insect pest and weed control, pesticide providing nutrient. Irrigation. Most agriculture in India is rain fed, that is success of crop in most areas is depend on a timely monsoon and sufficient rainfall spread through most of the growing season. Hence poor monsoon cause crop failure, ensuring that the crop get water at the right stages during the growing season can increasing the expected yield of many crop. Therefore many measure of a use of a bring more agricultural land under irrigation. India has a wide variety of water resources and a high varied climate. Under the conditions, several different kind of irrigation system are adopted to supply water to agricultural land depending on the kind of water resource available. These include well, canal, river and tanks. Well, there are two types of well, namely dug well, tube well. In a dug well, water is collected from the bearing strata. Tube well spell can trap water from a deeper strata. From these well, water is lifted by pumps for irrigation. Canals. This is usually an elaborate and extensive irrigation system. In the system, canals receive water from the or more reservoirs or from river. The main canal is divided into a branch canal having further distribution of irrigates field. River fed lift system in areas where canal flow is insufficient or irregular due to inadequate reservoir release the lift of system in a more direction of the water and directly drawn in a river from the supplement irrigation in areas close to a river. Tank. These are small storage reservoir which intersect and storage the run of a smaller catchment areas. Fresh initial of the increasing the water available for the agriculture include rainwater harvesting and watershed management. This involves building small check dam which lead to increase the groundwater level. Check dam will stop rainwater from flowing away from also reduce soil erosion. Cropping pattern. A different way of crop can be used to give maximum benefit. Makes growing two or more crop simultaneously on the same piece of land. Example, wheat plus gram or wheat plus mustard or groundnut plus sunflower. This reduces risk of give some insurance against failure of one of the crop. Intercropping, growing two or more crops simultaneously on the same field on a definite pattern of few crops. Row 1 is a crop alternate few row in the second crop. Example of soybean plus maize over finger millet plus copy. The crop and selected such as their nutrient required are different and ensure maximum utilization of nutrients supplied and also prevent pests and disease spreading to all plant belonging to crop in a field. This way both crop can give better return. The growing of different crop on a piece of land pre-planned succession is known as a crop rotation. Depending upon the duration, crop rotation is done. Different crop combination availability availability of moisture irrigation, pesticides, and the choice of cultivator after one harvest. Rotation done probably 2 or 3 crop can be grown in a year with a good harvested crop protection management. Field crop are infested by a large number of weed, insect, pest, disease. If weeds or pests are not controlled at a appropriate timber, then they can damage then crop so much then most of crop is lost. Weeds and unwanted plant in a cultivated field. An example, Exantium. Pastanium, Cyprinus, Rotandus. Their complete form, food space and light weed take up the nutrient, reduce growth of the crop. Therefore, removal weed is cultivator feeding during a stage of a crop is essential for a good harvested. General insect pest attack in a plant in the 3 ways. They cut the root, stem, and leave the stalk of a cell sap in various part of the plant, and they are both into a stem and fruit. They are thus affected health of a crop and reduce yields. Disease in a plant caused by pathogens or bacteria, fungi, and viruses. There are pathogens can be present in the transmitted through the soil, water, in the air. Weeds, insect, and disease can be controlled by the various methods. One of the most commonly used method is include as a pesticide, which include the herbicides, herbicides, insecticides, and fungicides. These chemicals sprayed control crop plant of use for treating seed and soil. However, excessive use of these chemicals creates problem since they can poisonous may plant and animal species cause environmental pollution. Weed control method also include mechanical removal, preventive methods such as proper seed bed preparation, timely sowing of crop, intercropping, and crop rotation also help to weed control. Some other preventive measure against pests and the use of a resistant variety of summer ploughing, the which field plough deep under which destroy weed and pests. Storage of grains, storage lose the agriculture produce can be very high. Factor responsible for such loss are biotic and insect, rodents, fungi, mites, and bacteria, and abiotic in crops create a moisture of temperature in a place of storage. This factor causes the degradation of a quality, loss in weight, poor germinability, discoloration of produce, all leading to a poor marketability. Other factor is controlled by the proper treatment by the systematic management of a warehouse. Preventive and control measure or use before grain store future use and include strict cleaning and produce before storage, proper drying produce first in sunlight, then a shade of fumigation, use in a chemical that can kill pests. Animal husbandry is the scientific management of animal livestock. It include various aspects such as feeding, breeding, and the disease control. Animal based farming include cattle, goat, sheep, poultry, and fish farming. Population increase and the as living standard increase and demand of a milk, egg, and meat going up. Also growing awareness of the need of abdomen treatment. Livestock has brought in a limitation of a livestock farming, thus livestock production also need to be improved. Cattle farming. Cattle husbandry is done for two purposes: milk and draught labor for agricultural work such as tilling, irrigation, and carting. Indian cattle belong to different species. Bos indicus cow and the Bos bovalis milk producing female are called which milch animal, while one of the use and farm labor called draught animal, which production depend on the extent of a duration lactation period, meaning the period milk production after birth. Calf milk production can be increasing in lactation period. Exotic foreign breed Jersey are selected from low lactation period of local breed red show extended resistance to degrees can be used crossbreed to get animal to get desired qualities. Proper cleaning and shelter facility from the crow and buffaloes and required for human farming and health and animal and production of clean milk and as well animal. Require regular brushing to remove dirt and loose hair. They should be sheltered under the ventilated roofed sheds and they protect them from the rain, heat and cold. The floor of the cattle shed need to sloping as straight, dry and facilitate cleaning. The food requirement as a dairy milk are two types of maintenance requirement which is the following required to support animal life in a healthy life and a milk producing require which is used in a type of required during the lactation period of minimal feed includes roughage which is largely in concentration which are low fiber contain relatives high level of protein of nutrient. Cattle need balanced ration contain all nutrients of proportion amount of besides such nutrient food material certain feed additive contain micronutrient promote the healthy milk of output dairy animal. Cattle suffer from a number of diseases. The disease pesticide cause dead residue milk production of a health of animal feeds regularly as a normal posture. The parasite cattle make both external parasite and internal parasite. External parasite is live in the skin and mainly cause skin disease. Internal parasite in the bone of stomach intestine while flux damage the liver. Infectious disease caused by bacteria virus vaccination are given from animal against many major viral bacteria disease. Poultry farming is undertaken to raise domestic fowl egg production, chicken production, meat. Therefore, improvable poultry breed are development. Farm produce a layer of egg broiler for meat. The cross breeding program between the Indian and foreign breed and a variety of improvement focus on the to develop a variety following desirable trait. Number and quality of check drop broiler parent of commercial chick production, summer adaptation capacity, tolerance and high temperature, low maintenance requirement, reduction of size of egg laying bird and ability to utilize more fibrous cheap additives formulated using agriculture byproducts. Egg and broiler production. Broiler chicken are fed in vitamin rich supplementary feed to grow feed for growth rate and better feed efficiency. Care is taken into avoid mortality and maintain feathering and circus quality. They are produced as a broiler and sand market for meat purpose for good production and poultry bird and management practices and improvement. These include maintenance of temperature and hygienic condition, housing and poultry feed as well as prevention control as a disease of a pest. The housing nutritional and improvement in requirement and a boiler are somewhat different from those of egg laying layer. In a ration of for broiler is a protein rich aquatic fat in a level of a vitamin A and K kept in a high in a poultry feed and poultry fowl suffer in a number of diseases caused by virus, bacteria, fungi, parasite and nutritional deficiencies. These necessitates proper cleaning, sanitation and spraying of disinfectants of a regular interval. Appropriate preparation can prevent occurrence of infectious disease or reduce loss of poultry during the outbreak of disease. Fish production. Fish is a cheap source of animal protein for food. Fish production include the fine true fish as well as shellfish such as prawn and mollusks. There are two ways of obtaining fish food. One is from natural resource. This is called capture fishing. That other way is by fish farming, which is called culture fishery. The water source may be fish can either sea water and fresh water such as a river and fishing can thus can be done both capture culture marine and fresh water ecosystem marine fisheries. Indian marine fishery resource include 7,500 km coastline and deep seas. Beyond it, popular marine fish varieties include pomfret, mackerel, tuna, saran rice, Bombay duck. Marine fish is caught in using many kind of fishing net and fishing boat yield increase localistic. Large schools of fish is opening sea using satellites or eco sounder. Some marine fish high economic value are farmed seawater. These include fine fishes like mullet, bhetki, and pearl sport shellfish such as pro mussel or oyster. While a seaweed oyster can also cultivate in a pearl. They make marine fish to get further depleted. Demand of more fish can only be met by some culture fishes and a practice called mariculture. Inland fisheries. Freshwater resources include canal, pond, and reservoirs. Rivers, brackish water resource, various seawater and freshwater mixed together, such as estuaries and lagoon, are also important fish reservoir. While capture fishing is also done is such inland water bodies yield and not most high fish production from these resources through aquaculture. Fish culture is sometimes done in a combination with rice crops so that fish are grown in a water paddy field. More intensive fish farming can be done in composite fish culture system. Both local imported fish species are used in such system. In such a system, combinations such as 5 or 6 species is used in a single fish pond. These species are selected so that they do not compete for food among these having different type of habit. As a result, the food available in all the part of a pond is used. A cat plus surface feed. Rohas feed in a middle zone in a pond. Mirigal common crabs on bottom feeder and grass carp feed in a weed together. These species can use in also food in a pond without competing with other, these increasing the fish yield from the pond. One problem with such composite fish culture in many fish breed only during monsoon. Fishes seed collecting from the wild it can mix with the species, so the major problem in farming ability of the quality of overcome this problem. We have now been work out to breed these fish in pond using a hormonal simulation in thus ensure the supply of pure fish seed in desired quantities. Beekeeping. The honey is widely used in therefore beekeeping and making honey and become an agricultural enterprise since the keeping now an industrial farmer is an additional become generating activity in addiction of honey in beehives and a source of wax used in a various medicinal preparation. The local varieties of bees used in commercial honey production please Serena indica, commonly known as Indian bee, and Dorstata, the rock bee, and a florei or little Italian bee variety of Mellifera has also been brought in an increased yield of a honey variety commonly used in commercial honey production. The Italian bee highly honey collection capacity of a small, they sting somewhat they stay given a bee hive for long period then breed very well in commercial honey production and farm appearance and stabilize the value of a quality of a honey depend upon the pest to grades of flower available on a bees pester pollen collection addiction equalite quality of a pasturage of a kind flower available in will determine the taste of the honey.